Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can create invoices on Odoo, so let's get right into it. Now for this, you are going to be using the accounting module, so I do recommend you install it while setting up your database. However, if you didn't, you can very easily use the apps menu and the apps installer to install the module yourself. Now, once you have that module, what you're going to be doing is going into the module yourself, and then you're going to go under customers. This is where your invoices menu is at, and once you click on it, you'll see the list of all your invoices. Now, of course, if you're just starting, your invoices list will be completely empty, in which case you need to create a new one. Now, if you have any previous one from previous business, you can easily upload them by clicking upload over here, or if you want to create a completely new one, you can just click on new, and here you can start creating your invoice. So I'll just go ahead and just name it test, for example. Customer can be whoever you want. I'll select myself as the customer just to test this out. The invoice date can be whatever you want to set it to. The due date can be whatever you want to set it to, etc., etc. And for products, I'll add a line. And here you can search for products. I'll search, for example, for the, I don't know, where's my t-shirt? There it is. As you can see, account is going to be sales of merchandise. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. I'm not going to extend it anymore. But yeah, to domestic customers. Yeah, there we go. And that should be pretty much it. And yeah, now that invoice should be created, if I'm not mistaken. There we go. And that's pretty much all there is. You'll see the total amount that's due, and you can then send this invoice to whichever person you want. And that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed. And that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, and one more thing before I mention, you can confirm this to actually send the invoice. I'm gonna leave this as a draft. But yeah, that's pretty much how you create your invoice. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you later.